This is the CoolFlow Dual Styler. It's a brand new tool from TressTech, from Tressallure. This is the first dual-purpose styling iron that curls or straightens human hair, heat-friendly wigs, or extensions. What makes this unique is it has an air cooling system. It's a unique air cooling technology that sets the curl immediately after it's formed. Just one glide. There's no more need to hold your curls and wait for your hair to cool down. So that means no more pinning, no more holding the curl in your hand for 10 to 15 seconds. It also has tourmaline ceramic plates and barrels for a smooth finish. It has 5 heat settings from 280 to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is just me showing you how I did loose barrel curls. I'm also going to show here in just a second what happens if you curl it from the bottom up versus doing the method that I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. So I'm just grabbing a small section, and what you're going to do is start at the top. You're going to twist the handle down towards the ground, just one flip all the way around, and you're going to have like a tail of hair, and you can either just pull straight out towards you, or what you can do is flip that tail back over. Either way works just fine. Alright, and this is where I show you if you curl it like you normally would curl regular hair, going from the bottom, twisting the hair or twisting the barrel all the way up to the top of the head. I just hold it here for a few seconds, 10 seconds, and then I just slowly push the little button that opens the barrel. And for some reason it only curls the bottom is what I was finding out. So that's why the first test section, I didn't record it. That's how I figured out it was only curling the very bottom of the hair. And that's why I went ahead and did this method where I turn the barrel one turn all the way down so it's facing the floor and have that tail of hair, and just glide the barrel, you know, straight down kind of towards you. You don't want to turn the barrel anymore after you do that initial flip to get the loose waves. The smaller the section of hair is and the slower that you're pulling it out towards you, the tighter the curl will be. The bigger the hair, the bigger the piece of hair, or the quicker that you pull the hair through the plates, it will be a bigger, looser wave. And here I'm just taking the Bonfi oil-free shine spray. I just wanted to see how that would affect curling the hair, if it would give it a little bit more hold and shine, which it did. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you have any techniques that you have found using this new styling tool. I'm learning as it is a brand new tool. So thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it.